In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and remove the Cloudflare service. Whether you're troubleshooting issues, switching providers, or simply no longer need Cloudflare for your domain, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, straightforward, and ensures you regain full control over your domain. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to pause Cloudflare services temporarily and, if necessary, completely remove your domain from Cloudflare. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading to the Cloudflare website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the official Cloudflare homepage. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. If you've set up your account to use Google, you can also select the Continue with Google option. This is a convenient choice, especially if you've linked your Google account to your Cloudflare services. Just make sure you're logging in with the correct account that manages the domain you're planning to modify. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Cloudflare dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the specific domain you want to modify. Once you've found it, click on that domain name to access its details. This will bring up all the settings and configurations related to that domain. Once you're on the domain details page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Advanced Actions. This is where you'll find options to manage Cloudflare's involvement with your domain. If you simply want to temporarily disable Cloudflare's services, look for the Pause Cloudflare option. Click on it. A confirmation window will pop up, asking you to confirm that you want to pause Cloudflare. Go ahead and click Pause again in this window. Once you've done this, Cloudflare services will be temporarily paused for the selected domain. You can now close the confirmation window and you're all set. Keep in mind, pausing Cloudflare doesn't remove your domain from the platform. It just halts Cloudflare's services for that domain while keeping all your settings intact. But let's say you're ready to take things a step further and completely remove your domain from Cloudflare. You'll still be working within the Advanced Actions section. This time, look for the Remove from Cloudflare option. When you click on it, a confirmation dialog will appear, explaining the implications of removing your domain. This step is important because once you remove your domain, Cloudflare will no longer provide any services or protection for it. You'll need to ensure that your domain's DNS settings are properly configured with another DNS host or provider before proceeding. If you're sure you want to continue, click Remove in the confirmation dialog. This will finalize the removal process. Once completed, your domain will no longer be associated with Cloudflare, and you'll have full autonomy over its management. You can now close the confirmation window, and that's it. You've successfully removed your domain from Cloudflare. And there you have it. Whether you chose to pause Cloudflare temporarily or completely remove your domain, you've now taken full control of your domain's configuration. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.